Hi, puppies. Hi, you guys. Are you ready to go outside for the first time? It's time. It's nice and warm out. We're going to go outside on the deck. Yay. Okay. You ready for an adventure? Hang on. Come on, puppies. We're just opening the door on the puppy pen here. Come on, Maisie. Maisie, bring your puppies outside. Maisie, let's bring your puppies outside. Come on. Maisie, bring them out. Let's go. Let's go outside. Hi, Mowgli. Oh, look. Oh, good puppy. Come on, everybody. Maisie, bring them out. Come on, Maze. Good girl. Bring them out. Let's bring your babies outside. Oh, everybody jump over. That's right. Jump over the wall there. Come on, Maisie. Let's go outside. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Oh, this is outside. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is Daddy. Here's Daddy. Daddy gets to smell you again. Yeah. Don't go trying to find milk stations on Daddy. He won't let you. Okay, puppies, let's go. Come on, you guys have to be brave. Come on, let's be brave. Come on, puppies. Come on, let's go. It's time for an adventure. Yeah, come on. You can do it. You can jump over. Maisie, let's bring your babies outside and feed them. Come. Maisie, come. Yes, Mowgli, we know that. Oh, Mowgli, you're so funny. Maisie, come on. Come on. She's feeding her babies. Let's go outside and play. Let's go outside. All right, let's see. We got we got one potty on the papers. Good puppy, go potty on the papers. How many do we have? Oh, here comes one. Here comes a brave soul. Oh, yeah. Mama is a good motivator, huh? Okay. All right, so we have 3.5 puppies to go. And, oh my goodness. Get it over. Get it over. Get that leg over, sweetie. Go on. You can do it. Yay. Now we have 3 puppies to go. We have 3 puppies to go outside yet. Well, we're almost outside. We're not quite outside. Come on, puppies. Come on, you guys. Let's be brave. Let's be brave. It's adventure time. Come on. Maisie, come. Maisie, come. Come on, sweetheart. Maisie day. Maisie day. Oh. Here comes one more. Okay, well, let's see here. Whoa. Oh, somebody is still trying and somebody got frustrated. Come on, baby. Yes, come on, sweetheart. Come by Mama. There's Mama. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, you can do it, sweetheart. Aww. This is how puppies learn. This is how puppies learn good things and how puppies learn bad things. Come on, sweetie. Oh, you can do it. You can do it. Look at where your brothers and sisters are. All you have to do is climb over. Climb over the door. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Oh, sweetheart. You still have a sleeper back there. Oh, honey. Come on, little puppy. Come on, little puppy. Come on. Woof, are you getting frustrated? Okay, you can do it. You can do it. I know, it looks like it's a big jump, but it's really not. It's really not. You can do it. Come on, hon. Puppy. Look at Mama's right here waiting for you. Mama's waiting. Come on. Come on, sweetie. Good puppy. Good puppy. Good puppy. Yes. Okay, keep it coming. Keep it coming. Do you need some help? I don't want you to get hung up in the wrong spot. Oh, good puppy. Good puppy. Oh, you go get your reward. Go over by Mama. Good puppy. Good puppy, you did it. Yay. Yay. Come on over by the others. Okay, I'm gonna have to wake the other sleeper up and show this one the reward and the treat. Hold on.